Hi guys, today we're going to go ahead and show you how to do a bleached t-shirt. This one is actually pretty simple and easy. We do have a couple special tools here. First off, the shirt that we have, these are the Gildan Softstyle. These are heather. Not 100% sure about the color of it, this one, but I will put it in the description. You got to make sure you use the heather colors on these ones or else they will not bleach correctly. Go ahead and got our sublimation print. And this time we're actually going to use a special tool. It is a acrylic stencil. I bought it off Etsy from CJ Rose & Co. She has quite a few designs on there. There's dog bones, four-leaf clover, stuff like that. This particular one is a leopard print. She has two sizes. One is for the smaller sizes of t-shirts, like small, mediums, and larges. And then she has a bigger size for the bigger shirts, like 3XL and such. For my spray bottles, I like to use the Febreze bottles. These ones come out with a really nice light mist, and you can easily layer it to get more of a bleach effect without causing too much excess. The bleach I like to use is from the Dollar General. It's the splashless, regular, just generic brand bleach. It works really well. And then last but not least, I like to use a piece of cardboard in between my shirts so nothing transfers to the back. So we're going to go ahead and get started here. So first what we're going to do is we're going to take our stencil, and you want the curved part to fall in line with the inside, the curve of the sleeve, and just kind of square up. So we're just going to go ahead and take our bleach. Kind of spray it down. Now we're going to go ahead and spray our center. Now that I got it sprayed, we're going to go ahead and let it sit and let the sun do its thing. Alright guys, now that we got it as white as we wanted it to get, we're going to go ahead and we're actually going to spray it with peroxide. This will help neutralize the bleach and stop the bleach from working. If you let the bleach sit too long, it will eat through your fabric, and that's how you get holes and stuff. So we're going to go ahead and spray this down, let it dry for a minute, and then we're going to put it straight into a cold wash, and then we're going to tumble dry low before we sub.